आरम्भं कुर्मः। रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते, रामं रमेशं भजे, रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः, रामाय तस्मै नमः। रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं, रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्। रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे, भो राम मामुद्धर। प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये, ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं, देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। नमः सर्वेभ्यः. Welcome to one and all for today's chanting session. Let's do the revision of the 2 shlokas from the Dhyana shloka, the last 2 ones.
Revati Balasubramaniam Bagini.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to recite and then you follow me later. Shantakaram bhujagashayanam padmanabham suresham vishwadharam gaganasadrusham meghavarnam shubhangam lakshmikantam kamalanayanai yogibirdhyanagamyam vande vishnum bhavabhayaharam सर्वलोकैकनाथम्।
शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं दिग्वागाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनै योहि बृद्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्।
उत्तमं भगिनी, but Padmanabham.
But okay,
and you that little accent you will put, that is the only thing. Okay, Bhagini. Let's go further.
Kumuda Bagini. Kumuda Bagini. Are you okay?
Mike is not.
Malini Radhakrishna Bagini.
Mahodaya. Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutaha स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तन्न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः।
यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यै योगिनः यस्यान्तन्न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः।
Uttamam Bhagini, Uttamam. Now today we are going to start from the Bhagavad Gita shlokas. So I hope you all have your own copies, and wherever I ask you to correct yourself, please try to correct it so that it will be helpful for later on. If you ask, then we will be not be able to say that.
Sarvebhyah, we are going to start Bhagavad Gita class from today. Actual Bhagavad Gita, we have learned Gita Dhyana all these days. Bhagavad Gita is written by Maharshi Vedavyasa. So Bhagavad Gita is all about how one should react to the failures and adversities. If we fail in the life, how to react and how to act in our own capacity. And it throws light on how we should lead a responsible life and mindful lifestyle by overcoming our desires, making appropriate choices of actions. Any problem we face, we have to first correctly choose the path, whether we should do this or not, and managing our emotions and become a good person. In life, everybody want to become a good person. Their children, they want very good people like that. It is a handbook to a happier life. It is talking about our true self, our life, and to our relationship with the universe, God, how to pray, how to eat, how we should live a very good life to become a very good human being. This is what Bhagavad Gita teaches. We will learn more and more in our future class, and in also by studying Bhagavad Gita, we will learn more and more in our lifetime. Yet, anything is not late. Your age, your capacity, or anything is not late to learn Bhagavad Gita. But one request is please attend this class regularly and learn Bhagavad Gita. You will get many, many benefits. This has been proved by everybody, including both of us. You attend your class and learn Bhagavad Gita. You will see more good things in your life. Now, in Bhagavad Gita, there are 18 chapters. We are going to start from chapter 1. You will learn more and more. In chapter 1, it deals with Arjuna. You all know that who is Arjuna, who is this. We are not going to the details of that. Arjuna's puzzling questions. If war is morally permissible or even it is necessary. You can see in the world, there are so many people are fighting, but finally they are not gaining anything. Violence created by war is impracticable because it is descending spiritual ending in destruction for all, and it is immoral. It will only spoil the human life and destruct. A violence will be created. The whole family will be destructed, spoiled, and other. The first chapter begins with a dialogue between King Dhritarashtra and his minister Sanjaya. Dhritarashtra is a blind person. Being blind, he could not leave his palace in Hastinapura to the war field where war is going. Dharmakshetre, Kurukshetre is a, in Kurukshetra, the war between Pandavas and Kauravas will be going. He cannot go and see or he cannot go and fight because he is a blind man. But unfortunately, he became the Maharaja of the whole India. Then Sanjaya was a disciple of Maharshi Vedavyasa. Dhritarashtra was always eager to know what is going in the battlefield between his sons and between Pandava's sons. So the Sanjaya is a disciple of Vedavyasa, who is the author of epic of Mahabharata, and he has also written Bhagavad Gita. The Sage Vedavyasa had a big power of distant vision. He bestowed upon Sanjaya the miraculous power of distant vision by his own power. So Sanjaya can see very distinctly. Nowadays, we have got WhatsApp views, videos. Anywhere you can see your children, anywhere you can see outside. YouTube has come and other. In those days, it was not there. Even phone was not there. But Sanjaya has a miraculous power. Sitting in Hastinapur with Maharaja Dhritarashtra, he can see what is going on in the battlefield. In this Bhagavad Gita, only Sanjaya and Arjuna can see. Sri Krishna has bestowed on Arjuna, Vedavyasa bestowed upon Sanjaya. These two people only can see. We will learn more and more when we go on. So we will start today with the chapter 1. So like this, we will go chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, up to 18 chapters. Please attend the class and learn more and more. You will all be benefited. Kala Ranganathan Bagini.
Namaste. Yes. Sound clear?
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
2 times.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Srimad Bhagavad Gita.
Srimad Bhagavad Gita.
Bhagavat is not there. Bhagavad Gita.
Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Srimad Bhagavad Gita.
Atha Pratamodhyayah.
Hatha Pratamodhyayah. Hatha Pratamodhyayah.
Arjuna Vishada Yoga.
Arjuna Vishada Yoga. Arjuna Vishada Yoga.
Uttama Bhagini, but you are not going to say Arjuna. Na is not Dirga. Arjuna. That's all. Okay?
Arjuna.
Okay. Okay.
Sridevi Murugaraj Bhagini.
Yes, Guruji.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Srimad Bhagavad Gita.
Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Srimad Bhagavad Gita.
Atha Pratamodhyayah.
Atha Pratamodhyayah. Atha Pratamodhyayah.
Arjuna Vishada Yoga.
Arjuna Vishada Yoga.
Don't stop. Arjuna Vishada Yoga.
Arjuna Vishada Yoga. Arjuna Vishada Yoga.
Uttama Bhagini, you have to follow and listen how I am doing. Arjuna, I am not going to stop. I have not stopped. So you have to follow that one. Uttama Bhagini, Uttama.
Thank you.
Srinitya Ganesh Bhagini.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Atha Prathamodhyayah. Arjuna Vishada Yoga.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Atha Prathamodhyayah. Arjuna Vishada Yoga.
Uttama Bhagini, Uttama, Uttama. Now let us start the first sloka. Full head.
Vidya Yam Bhagini. Vidya Yam Bhagini.
Harim.
Full sloka Bhagini. You have to recite. Full sloka means you have to recite.
Okay, ma. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Srimad Bhagavad Gita.
Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is not there. Bhagavad Gita.
Srimad Bhagavad Gita.
Bhagavad Gita.
Bhagavad Gita. Ate Pratamodhyayah.
Atha Pratamodhyayah. Ate is not there. Atha. That means we are going to start.
Okay. Ate Pratamodhyayah. Arjuna Vishada Yoga.
Uttama, Uttama Bhagini. Let us start the first sloka.
Archana Surampalli Bhagini.
Yes, Mahoday.
Now I'm reading the this one, Brother Hrisva, Dirgha and all, then you will recite. Dhritarashtra Uvacha. The one that is yellow highlighted letters or aksharas are Mahapranas. So Dhritarashtra Uvacha. Don't say Dhritarashtra Uvacha like that, because when we are reading, I'm just condensing it. When we are reading continuously, automatically it will come for you. Dhritarashtra Uvacha. Dhrita. Dhru is Mahaprana, Ta is Hrisva, Ra Dirgha, Sh is Ha, Tra, Ta and Ra together, Samyuktakshara, Uvacha, U is Hrisva, Va Dirgha, and Cha Hrisva. Coming to the sloka, Dharma Kshetre, first pada. Dharma Kshetre, Kurukshetre, that is first pada. So Dharma, Dha is again Mahaprana, Ra is Ha, Ma Hrisva, Kshetre, Ksha is Ka and Sha Samyuktakshara again. She Dirgha Tre Hrisva. Kurukshetre. Ku is Hrisva. Ru is Hrisva. She again Dirgha. Tre Dirgha. Then second pada. Coming to second pada. Samaveta Yuyutsavaha. Sama. Both are Hrisva. Ve Dirgha. Ta Dirgha. Yuyutsavaha. You. That is Hrisva. Ta and Sa together, Yuyut Savaha. First you should pronounce, then Savaha. Why I am saying Savaha? Because after the continuous of this sentence, the end of the sentence, we have the Visarga, we have to pronounce that part. Coming to the third pada, second line, Mamakaha Pandavash Chaiva. Mamakaha, to remove the Visarga from after Mamakaha, next letter is Pa. So we are going to add Mamakaf. I have told you in the beginning of the class that if Pa comes means after the Visarga, Pa comes if Fa is there. No, that Mamakaf Pandavas Chaiva. Mamaka. Ma is Dirgha. Second Ma Hrisva. Ka is Dirgha. Pa is Dirgha. Da Hrisva. Va Dirgha. Sh is half. Chaiva. Both are Hrisva. Then fourth pada. Kima Kurvata Sanjaya. Kima Kurvata Sanjaya. Kima, both are Hrisva. Ku is also Hrisva. Ra half, Vata Hrisva. Sanjaya. So don't say Sanjaya. That is Sanjaya. So all are Hrisva. So let us start beginning. Dhritarashtra Uvacha.
Dhritarashtra Uvacha. Dhritarashtra Uvacha.
Uttama beginning. Dharma Kshetre Kurukshetre.
Dharma Kshetre Kurukshetre. Dharma Kshetre Kurukshetre.
Samaveta Yuyutsavaha.
Samaveta Yuyutsavaha. Samaveta Yuyutsavaha.
Uttamam beginning. Mamakah Pandavaschaiva.
Mamakah Pandavaschaiva. Mamakah Pandavaschaiva.
Kimakurvata Sanjaya.
Kimakurvata Sanjaya. Kimakurvata Sanjaya.
Uttamam beginning. Uttamam.
Kavita Vishwesh Bhagini.
Mahoday.
Dhritarashtra Uvacha.
Dhritarashtra Uvacha. Dhritarashtra Uvacha.
Dharma Kshetre Kurukshetre.
Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre. Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre.
Samaveta Yuyutsavaha.
Samaveta Yuyutsavaha. Samaveta Yuyutsavaha.
Mamakah Pandavaschaiva.
Mamakah Pandavaschaiva. Mamakah Pandavaschaiva.
Uttamam beginning. Kimakurvata Sanjaya.
Kimakurvata Sanjaya. Kimakurvata Sanjaya.
Uttamam beginning. Uttamam.
Shriyani Mala Bhagini. Shriyani Mala Bhagini.
Yes, Bhagini.
Dhritarashtra uvacha dharma kshetre. 1 second. You are going to recite the one full sentence. Two people are going to recite pada by pada, and two people will recite the sentence by sentence, and one person will recite the whole shloka, and the other person will recite the full shloka. When I say full shloka, I'm not going to teach them. They have to do by themselves. So kindly mute yourself, all of you, and along with me, you're going to practice so that whoever name is called for full shloka, they have to recite. Okay? We are not going to do anything. If you are wrong, I am there to help you all. Don't worry. Dhritarashtra uvacha dharma kshetre kurukshetre samaveta yuyutsavaha.
Dhritarashtra uvacha dharmashestre
Dharma kshetre kshe ka and short together. Dharma kshetre kurukshetre
dharmashestre kurukshetre
samaveta you have to recite
yuyutsavaha.
Once more.
Dharmashestre kurukshetre samaveta yuyutsavaha.
So you practice how to recite ka and sha together. Ksha. Ka and sha together. Ksha. Kshe. That's all. Mamaka pandavaschaiva kima kurvata sanjaya.
Mamaka pandava.
Mamakaha is not there. I told you we have removed that mamaka and we have add pa.
Mamaka pandava
Chaiva. Chaiva. Kima kurvata sanjaya.
Sanjaya.
Yeah, practice, Bhagini. Practice very well, you will get it.
Yeah, thank you.
Ujjwala Kiran Bhagini.
Hari Om.
Dhritarashtra uvacha dharma kshetre kurukshetre samaveta yuyutsavaha.
Dhritarashtra uvacha dharma kshetre kurukshetre samaveta yuyutsavaha. Mamaka pandava.
No, 2 times the same thing. The 2 times the same line.
Okay. Dhritarashtra uvacha dharma kshetre kurukshetre samaveta yuyutsavaha.
Mamaka pandavaschaiva kima kurvata sanjaya.
Mamaka pandavaschaiva kima kurvata sanjaya. Mamaka pandavaschaiva kima kurvata sanjaya.
Uttamam Bhagini. Uttamam.
Jayalakshmi KG Bhagini.
Hari Om.
Dhritarashtra uvacha dharma kshetre kurukshetre samaveta yuyutsavaha. Mamaka pandavaschaiva kima kurvata sanjaya.
Dhritarashtra uvacha dharmakshetre kurukshetre samaveta yuyutsavaha mamaka pandavaschaiva kima kurvata sanjaya.
Uttamam Bhagini, but dhana you have to press it. The yellow lights, the yellow highlighted words, dha mahaprana, give more energy to it. That's all. Uttamam Bhagini. Practice pannungo, you will get it.
Okay.
Umavati Bhagini. Umavati Bhagini.
Yes, namaste.
Full sloka Bhagini.
By yourself, huh?
Yes.
Dhritarashtra uvacha.
Slowly. See how I was doing slowly, because if you do slowly, then you will not make mistake. If you go very fast, even I tend to make mistake. So go slow.
Dhritarashtra uvacha dharmashetra gurukshetre samaveta yuyutsavaha mamaka pandavasche
Pandavaschaiva.
Mamaka pandavaschaiva.
Pandavash is not there. Pandava.
Pandava. पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जयः
Yeah, once more,
किमकुर्वत
yeah. Practice Pannungo Bagini, you have to practice. One more person.
Uma Ji Bagini. Uma Ji Bagini. Vijayalakshmi Murali Krishnan Bagini. Vijayalakshmi Murali Krishnan Bagini. V Radha Bagini.
Namaste Bhagini.
Will you be able to chant by yourself, Bagini?
Okay Bhagini.
Yeah, full shloka. Slowly you go.
Dhritarashtra
Dhritarashtra uvacha, like that.
Dhritarashtra tvacha Dhritarashtra.
No, 2 times. Bagini, wait, we will call some other person.
Okay, one not சொல்றேன்.
Yeah.
Kim
No,
Dharma
leave it, Bagini.
Archana Surampalli Bagini. Archana Bagini.
Yes, Mahodaya.
Full shloka, Bagini.
धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय.
Uttamam, Bagini. Let us go for the second one.
In the first shloka, this shloka, I told you that Pandavas and Kauravas are fighting for their own land. They are fighting, brothers are fighting in the Kurukshetra. As I told you, the Dhritarashtra Maharaja could not go to the war field because he is a blind person. So he is asking his minister Sanjaya, what my children and Pandu's children are doing in the Kurukshetra war. Please let me know, is what he says. Let us go to the next one. Padma Rajagopal Bagini.
Namaste sir. Namaste
Now,
Mahodaya.
yeah, I will explain the shloka, then we will do it. Sanjaya uvacha. Sanjaya is saying. Uvacha means he's telling. Sanjaya uvacha. Now, društva, first pada. Društva tu pandavanīkam. Društva. First you should pronounce društva. Društva. So, dru is risva. Shta is half. Ta is half. That is ta. Tva. Va is dirgha. Ta is also half. Društva. Tu is also risva. Pandavanikam. Pa is dirgha. Da is risva. Va ni dirgha. Ni dirgha. Kam. Kaya. And then end of the pada we have to pronounce the makara. Vyudhandur. If you are reciting continuous line, then there is no need. You can go like that. But we cannot do such things. So we have to recite 18 chapters. We find it difficult. Vyudham duryodhanastada. Now, dham makara has come. To remove the makara, next letter is the. So the comes in ta varga, ta, the, na. So vyudhan, dha is mahaprana, dhan. Vyu is also dirgha. Duryodhanastada. Du, risva, dur, ra is half. Yo, dirgha. Dhana, dha is mahaprana, risva. Stada, the na is risva. Stada, sa and the together. Sa and tha together, Rasva Samyukta, dha is dirgha. Coming to the third pada, second line. Acharya mupasangamya. Dirgha, big, second one, not the first word. Second, charya, cha is dirgha, ra is half, ya Rasva, mupasangamya. Don't split, and you have to see my pronunciation. You have to follow that one. I know that initially you will find it difficult. As you are used to my way of teaching, you will understand. Mupasangamya, all are Risva. Then Raja, fourth pada. Raja, Ra is also dirgha, Ja is also dirgha. 2 matra kalas. Vachanam abravit. All are Risva except the V. and ta, last ta is ha. That is halant. Ha. Let us start begin. Sanjaya uvacha.
Sanjaya uvacha. Sanjaya uvacha.
Drishtva tu pandavanikam.
Drishtva tu pandavanikam. Drishtva tu pandavanikam.
Uttamam. Vyodhan duryodhanastada.
Vyudhan duryodhanastada. Vyudhan duryodhanastada.
Uttamam. Acharyamupasangamya.
Acharyamupasangamya. Acharyamupasangamya.
Raja vachanamabravit.
Raja vachanamabravit. Raja vachanamabravit.
Uttamam bagini. Uttamam.
Padmini Bagini. Padmini Bagini.
Namaste ji.
Sanjaya uvacha.
Sanjaya uvacha. Sanjaya uvacha.
Drishtva tu pandavanikam.
Drishtva tu pandava.
Du is not there. Tu. Drishtva tu.
Okay. Drishtva tu pandavanikam. Vyudam.
Bagini, you are not going to say anything. You will say each last pada two times. That's all.
Okay. Drishtva. Drishtva tu pandavanikam.
Vyodhan duryodhanastada.
Vyudam
No
duryodhan.
Vyodham. Just now I explained. Vyodhan. Na. Tata dada na. Last anunasika of that varga, ta varga, because next letter is da. So ta ta da da na. Vyodhan. Vyodhan. Dha is Mahaprana. Vyodhan duryodhanastada.
Vyudam duryodhanastada. Vyudam duryodhanastada.
Acharyamupasangamya.
Acharyamupasangamya. Acharyamupasangamya.
Raja. Wait. Don't hurry. Raja vachanamabravit.
Raja vasanamabravit. Raja vasanamabravit.
Yes, Uttamam.
N Padma Bagini.
Yes, ma'am.
Sanjaya uvacha. Drishtva tu pandavanikam. Vyodhan duryodhanastada.
Sanjaya uvacha drishtva tu pandavanikam vyudan duryodhanastada. Sanjaya uvacha drishtva tu pandavanikam vyudan duryodhanastada.
Uttamam. Dha slightly more stress more. Okay. Acharyamupasangamya. Raja vachanamabravit.
Acharyamupasangamya Raja vachanamabravit. Acharyamupasangamya Raja vachanamabravit.
Uttamam bagini.
Jayanti Narayanan Bagini.
Namaste, Guruji.
Sanjaya uvacha. Drishtva tu pandavanikam. Vyodhan duryodhanastada.
Sanjaya uvacha drishtva tu pandavanikam vyudhan duryodhanastada. Drishtva Sanjaya uvacha drishtva tu pandavanikam vyudhan duryodhanastada.
Don't split anywhere. If you take first pada, that first pada should go Yodhan. Don't stop. Duryodhana. See how I'm going to recite like that. You will learn it. Acharyamupasangamya. Raja Vachanam Abravit.
आचार्यमुपसंगम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत् आचार्यमुपसंगम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत्
Uttamam Bhagini, Uttamam.
Savita Pradeepa Bhagini.
हा महोदय
Sanjaya Uvacha Drishtva tu Pandavanīkam Vyodhan Duryodhanastada Acharyamupasangамya Raja Vachanam Abravit.
संजय उवाच दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढन् दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यमुपसंगम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत्
Uttamam Bhagini. Only once is okay. Uttamam.
Rupa Kulakarni Bhagini.
हा नमस्ते महोदय
Full shloka Bhagini.
संजय उवाच दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यमुपसंगम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत्
Uttamam Bhagini. Uttamam. Let's move on to the next one. Shloka. 5 minutes are there. Third, shloka number 3.
In this shloka, Sanjaya answers Dhritarashtra. Dhritarashtra asked, what my children are doing. So he says that King Duryodhana, that is Dhritarashtra's son, King Duryodhana, on seeing the array of army, the whole army assembled by the Pandavas, and after approaching Dronacharya, the Senapati of the Kauravas, says these words. So we will see more. Harisuta Bhagini.
Division.
No, Harisuta Bhagini.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Bhagini, you are in mute.
Okay,
You always get it. When Mahodaya takes over this one mic, I always mute myself. So pashyaitam, half, and yaitam, tam is dirgha. The rest pashya both are hrisva. Panduputranam, that is the first pada. Pashyaitam Panduputranam, first pada. In the books, it is given continuously. I told you that we have done the this one into 4 padas. Pashyaitam Panduputranam. Pa is dirgha, du hrisva, pu is hrisva, tra is dirgha, na dirgha, ma is ha, halantma. Acharya mahatim chamum, second pada. Acharya, big cha, big cha, that is dirgha, both are dirgha, ya, ra and ya. Ra is half and ya, both are hrisva. Mahatim. Now comes the makara. So next letter is cha. Cha, fifth letter of cha varga is cha, ja, nya. So you have to put nya there. Mahatim chamum. Don't say mahatim. I'm not saying mahatim is wrong, but mahating, nga. Mahating chamum. Mating, ti is dirgha. The rest are all hrisva. Last ma is ha. Coming to the second line, third pada. Vyudham Drupada Putrena. View, va and ya together. Viewed. That is dirgha. View. Dham. Makara. Next letter is the. So it comes in the category. The varga. The na. Vyudhan. Da is dirgha. I told Mahaprana also. Vyudhan Drupada Putrena. All are hrisva. Na is also hrisva. Drupada Putrena. Coming to the fourth pada. Tava Shishyena Dhimata. Tava, both are hrisva. Shishyena. She is hrisva. Sha half. Ye hrisva. Na hrisva. Dhimata. Dhi is Mahaprana. Ma is Swa. Ta. Dirgha. So Dhimata. Let us start beginning. Pashyaitam. How you have to pronounce it? Pashyaitam. Pashyaitam Panduputranam.
Pashyaitam Panduputranam.
2 times.
Pashyaitam Panduputranam.
Uttamam. Acharya Mahating Chamum.
Acharya Mahading Samum.
Chamum. Samum no. Chamum.
Samum. Acharya Mahading Samum.
Mahating no. You are saying Mahading. Mahating. Ta. First ta.
Mahating.
Uttamam. Chamum.
Acharya Mahading Samum.
Uttamam. Vyodhan Drupada Putrena.
Vyudam Tribhada
No,
Putrena.
na. Ma. Vyodhan na. Vyodhan Drupada Putrena.
Vyudana Putrena.
Once more.
Vyudan Putra.
Drupada Putrena.
Vyudana Tribhada.
Don't say na full. Vyodhan na halant na half. Vyodhan Drupada Putrena.
Vyudan Tribhada Putrena.
Tava Shishyena Dhimata.
Tava Shishyena Dhimata. Dhimata.
Once more.
Hello.
Tava Shishyena Dhimata.
Tava Shishyena Dhimata.
Dava is not there. Tava. Okay? Practice.
Okay.
Bhavani Bhagini. Bhavani Bhagini.
Hari Om Mata.
Pashyaitam Panduputranam.
Pashyaitam Panduputranam. Pashyaitam Panduputranam.
Acharya Mahating Chamum.
Acharya Mahating Chamum. Acharya Mahating Chamum.
Uttamam. Vyodhan Drupada Putrena.
Vyudhan Drupada Putrena. Vyudhan Drupada Putrena.
Slow down. Tava Shishyena Dhimata.
Tava Shishyena Dhimata. Tava Shishyena Dhimata.
Uttamam Bhagini. Uttamam.
Preeti B Bhagini.
Yes, Mahodaya.
Now I'm going to read the whole line, one line. Pashyaitam Panduputrana Acharya Mahating Chamum.
Pashyaitam Panduputranam Acharya Mahatim Chamum.
Once more.
Pashyaitam Panduputranam Acharya Mahatim Chamum.
Uttamam. Vyodhan Drupada Putrena Tava Shishyena Dhimata.
Vyudan Drupada Putrena Tava Sishyena Dhimata. Vyudan Drupada Putrena Tava Sishyena Dhimata.
Uttamam Bhagini. Uttamam.
Shankar Raman Madhur Mahodaya.
Namaskaram Bhagini.
Pashyaitam Panduputranam Acharya Mahating Chamum.
Pashaidham Pandaputranam Acharya Mahadin Chamum. Pashaidham Pandaputranam Acharya Mahadin Chamum.
The ta you have to learn Mahodaya. First ta. Uttamam you have recited. Pashyidam you said tam. Okay? Coming to the second line. Vyodhan Drupada Putrena Tava Shishyena Dhimata.
Yudhan Trubhata Putrena Davasishyena Dhimata. शूढान्त्रपदपुत्रेण दवशिष्येन धीमता.
The third, please learn, Mahodaya, kindly.
Okay.
So, Davashishena Bhimada is not the Dhimata, like that. Okay? Uttama.
Srividya Prasad Bhagini.
Namaste, Mahodaya.
Pashyaitam Panduputranam Acharya Mahatim Chamom Vyodhan Drupada Putrena Tavashishyena Dhimata.
Pashyaitam Panduputraणाम् आचार्यमहतीं च मूं व्यूढान् द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येण धीमता.
Uttamam Bhagini, Uttamam.
Thank you, Bhagini.
Rupa Mahendra Bhagini.
Yes, Mahodaya.
Full shloka Bhagini quickly, because if you don't respond, then
Sure.
the time goes like that. Yes.
Pashyaitam Panduputranam Acharya Mahatim Chamu Vyudhan Drupada Putrena Tava Shishyena Dhimata.
Uttamam Bhagini, I will recite now. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Srimad Bhagavad Gita Atha Pratamodhyayah Arjuna Vishada Yoga Dhritarashtra Uvacha Dharma Kshetre Kurukshetre Samaveta Yuyutsavaha Mamaka Pandavaschaiva Kimakurvata Sanjaya Sanjaya Uvacha Društva tu Pandavanikam Vyudhan Duryodhanastada Acharyamupasangamya Raja Vachanam Abravit Pashyaitam Panduputranam Acharya Mahatim Chamom Vyudhan Drupada Putrena Tava Shishyena Dhimata. Samapyamaha. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dhanyavadah sarvebhyah. Punarmilamah. Ram Ram Ram. Kindly, my sincere request.